Welcome back to the channel, everyone. One of the most asked questions that I've had since I started this channel is, what does it take to maintain a 1000 horsepower GTR? Do I do anything different? Do I have to use specific products? The reality of it is, you kind of use your own judgment. Everybody has their choice. Everybody prefers certain things. I use Motul products. I've used Motul since day one. Even before this car, everything I've had has always been, of course, with Motul. Now, I change the oil a lot more often than I should. I probably drive this car 5,000 or 6,000 miles a year, and I'll probably do at least 5-6 oil changes. Why, you may ask? Well, that's just something I like to do. I'm on top of things. I like to always check things, make sure everything is good. The pump we're using on this engine is a Nitto high volume oil pump. We've also upgraded the pan. It's an 8.5 quart pan, of course, that's been custom made. The oil filter is located right over here. It makes it for easy access. Even when the car is on the ground, we just turn the wheel, we have access to it. As far as the cooler, it's located right here behind the bumper. Air hitting it gives it great cooling. One other subject, of course, that I think I do want to mention here is that mandatory. No matter how much driving is done every 6 months, we changed oil in front and the rear diff. We also change oil in the transmission. That's done every 6 months. Not only does it give us a chance to monitor and make sure everything is okay, but of course everybody can understand it gives you a better peace of mind by doing these changes. It's in perfect condition. It's just that, again, as I mentioned, I definitely want to keep fresh fluids in the car at all times. This is why I'm draining it. This oil change was done probably about 3 months ago, but again, we're changing it just to change it. Better, it's always better to be safe than sorry, I suppose. This way, it allows you always to check and see, of course, what's going on with the car, if there's any issues. Another thing, when you're running E85, obviously 85 waters down your oil, so it's always good to make quicker changes. And again, as I mentioned, that's by choice. This doesn't mean that everybody has to do that. That's just what I choose to do. Thanks for watching, you guys. Make sure if you have any questions, leave it in the comment section. We always answer to all comments. We want to make sure you guys subscribe to our channel. It takes a second. It takes 1 second to subscribe, so please make sure you subscribe. We've got some great stuff coming up. We've got 2 swaps that are going on here. We've got a swap for this white S13. There's a VH motor going in it. We also have a fully built SR20 that's going to be going into this black S13. It's going to be a lot of fun, so we want to make sure that all of you guys are going to be a part of it.